to Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Today, I am going to make a smoothie. I am going to use a strawberry and dragon fruit, and it's going to be a pink smoothie. You know I love pink. You got to know that. If you don't know anything by now, let me tell you, I love pink. Pink's my favorite color, always has been. So, I'd like to thank, first of all, everybody that has subscribed so far. We're doing really well. Thank you very much for joining me on this journey. Make sure if you don't already subscribe to YouTube, I know a lot of you subscribe to Facebook. Go to the end of the video, hit subscribe, or go to www.youtube.com, Just in the Kitchen. I think it's / Just in the Kitchen. All right, and I'll put that down at the bottom. But make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get notifications. So thank you all. I can't wait. It's the end of summer and I'm getting so sad. I want to go to all the fairs and the carnivals and the outdoor musics in the park and stuff. I want to do all that. Usually I'm like, oh, I can't wait for fall. But I really don't want summer to end. I love it. So let's start with my smoothie. I go to Kroger every week and they have this thing called the pink drink. And it has, I think that has acai and some strawberries, but it's a liquid. And so I thought, well, what if I use dragon fruit and some coconut milk and see what we come up with? So it is very good, and I want to show you it's very easy. Look at the dragon fruit. Look at how, this is frozen, by the way. Frozen dragon fruit. So easy. And it's such a beautiful, like magenta color. Then I add in strawberries. I add in some agave. There we go. Make it a little sweet. You can add in as much agave as you like and make it as sweet as you like. I am not super big on sweet, so, and now I just, like a 1/4 cup of these freeze-dried strawberries. It just gives a lot of punch. And then some coconut milk. Now, this comes in the can, it's very thick, but it is very good. Put that in there. Add some ice. And put this on. Now, isn't this the coolest thing? So, I got this from a friend of mine, Joe Arcel, so shout out to Joe Arcel. He turned 80 and we had a birthday party for him. He gave his own birthday party, but I did some cooking for him. And as a thank you, he gave me this Ninja. And so I'm so excited. Let's see, power on. Oh. So this is less pink than red or magenta. It is so good. And it's a light flavor. And you have to twist the Ninja. Now if you want, you can add more ice to it. I don't like to water down my flavors. And you can just add more ice. Here we are, strawberry dragon fruit pink smoothie. Wow. I can taste the coconut. So if you don't like coconut, just use regular milk. I won't yell at you. But the coconut and the dragon fruit with the strawberry, it is so creamy. It's just luscious. And it is such a good summertime drink. And really, other than the agave, it's all natural. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You don't need a lot of ice in there. A lot of ice would water it down. And it is my favorite color, of course. So, thank you everybody for joining us on Just in the Kitchen. For this recipe and many more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. And remember, subscribe to YouTube. Ding the bell right next to the subscribe button. We'll see you real soon. What is the song? I'll see you in September. So I'll see you in September. Bye.